While dairy products are a rich source of calcium, there are also many plant-based sources of calcium, such as leafy greens, tofu, and fortified plant milks. Zinc and omega-3 fatty acids are also important nutrients to consider, as they are primarily found in animal products. However, these nutrients can be obtained from plant-based sources, such as nuts, seeds, and algae-based supplements. Reasons for choosing vegetarian or vegan diets. People choose to follow vegetarian and vegan diets for a variety of reasons. Some choose these diets for ethical reasons, such as concern for animal welfare or environmental sustainability. Others choose these diets for health reasons, as research has shown that they can provide a range of health benefits. Additionally, some people choose these diets for religious or cultural reasons. Environmental impact of vegetarian and vegan diets. The environmental impact of animal agriculture is a growing concern for many people. The production of meat and other animal products requires large amounts of resources, including land, water, and energy. Additionally, animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and other forms of environmental degradation, such as water pollution and deforestation. As a result, many people are turning to vegetarian and vegan diets as a way to reduce their environmental footprint. Studies have shown that plant-based diets require significantly less land, water, and energy than diets that include meat and other animal products. Additionally, plant-based diets produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions and other forms of environmental pollution. Final thoughts. In conclusion, vegetarianism and veganism are two dietary lifestyles that are gaining popularity around the world. While both diets focus on plant-based foods, there are some important differences between them. Vegetarians exclude meat, poultry, and fish from their diets, while vegans exclude all animal products. Additionally, veganism is often motivated by ethical and environmental concerns, while vegetarianism may be motivated by health concerns as well. Both vegetarian and vegan diets can provide a range of health benefits, but it is important to ensure that they are properly planned to avoid potential nutrient deficiencies. Additionally, plant-based diets can have a lower environmental impact than diets that include meat and other animal products. Regardless of the reasons for choosing a vegetarian or vegan diet, it is important to make informed dietary choices and to ensure that all nutrient needs are being met. Vegetarianism and veganism are two popular dietary choices that have been gaining more and more attention in recent years. While both lifestyles involve abstaining from meat, fish, and poultry, there are some key differences between vegetarianism and veganism. In this article, we will explore the differences between vegetarianism and veganism, including their dietary restrictions, health benefits, and environmental impact. Definition of vegetarianism. Vegetarianism is a dietary choice that involves abstaining from meat, fish, and poultry. However, vegetarians may still consume animal products such as dairy, eggs, and honey. There are several different types of vegetarianism, including lacto-ovo-vegetarians, who consume dairy and eggs, lacto-vegetarians, who consume dairy but not eggs, and ovo-vegetarians, who consume eggs but not dairy. Definition of veganism. Veganism, on the other hand, is a lifestyle that involves abstaining from all animal products, including meat, fish, poultry, dairy, eggs, honey.